Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Measure 1 kg plain full-fat yogurt and add 1 tsp fine salt into a bowl. Stir gently until uniformly seasoned. Line a fine mesh sieve with 2 layers of cheesecloth or a clean muslin and set it over a large bowl to catch whey. Spoon the salted yogurt into the lined sieve, smooth the top, then cover with plastic wrap or a kitchen towel to protect from debris and allow it to drain at cool room temperature for 12 hours. After the initial 12-hour drain, check the texture. The cheese should be thick and spreadable like cream cheese. For a firmer, sliceable cheese, gather the corners of the cheesecloth, twist to expel more whey, and hang the bundle from a hook or faucet for an additional 4 hours until it reaches desired firmness. Collect and reserve the whey in a jar. Expect roughly 200 to 300 ml. Use whey in soups, bread dough, or smoothies for added protein and tang. Unwrap the drained cheese and transfer it to a mixing bowl or serving container. Smooth with a spatula and taste for seasoning. For a basic finish, stir in 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil and herbs to taste, or fold in 1 clove minced garlic or 1 tablespoon chopped dill for flavor. Pack the cheese into an airtight container and refrigerate at 4 degrees C. It will keep for up to 10 days. Use chilled on bread, crackers, or as a creamy dip. Always use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.